standing on the former Diversion 5 for the project. Now that the traffic has been moved over onto the permanent Highway 3 in this location, the section of Diversion 5 is being removed to make way for the 401 expansion and drain relocation. As part of the removals process, the asphalt can be removed in numerous ways. Today we're removing the asphalt by means of a milling machine. The milling machine is a 2-meter wide machine that grinds the asphalt and loads it into trucks for future reuse as a recycled product into the new asphalt pavement. Today, the top lift of asphalt, 40 millimeters, is being ground off the diversion as it contains a premium asphalt cement, which can be reused in the surface mix of the future highway number 3. The machine can also be used to go to deeper cuts to do a full removal, and it can also be used to rehabilitate the highways in a mill and pave situation. This particular machine's got a wheel on each side of it, and that's the wheel is what gauges the height. See, he just moved the crank, that moves the drum up and down a little bit. That little wheel that's riding on the asphalt there, he just moves it up or down right there to change whether he wants it higher or lower. There's one of those on each side. This is an older machine. There's newer and better technology, with GPS systems and help control it a lot more accurately and a little more modern methods. You're probably running around 600-700 horsepower for that machine, and it's doing, like I said, about a 2-meter wide cut. It can go up to about 10 inches deep at any way if you wanted to.